Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit images uploaded in Shopify. Whether you're sprucing up your online store or just making a few tweaks to your product images, this process is straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive right in so you can get those images looking just the way you want them. First, you'll need to navigate to where all the magic happens. Start by finding the content section on the left-hand panel of your Shopify dashboard. This is your gateway to managing all the files you've uploaded to your store. Once you've located it, click on it and then select Files from the list. You'll be greeted with a comprehensive list of all the files you've uploaded. This includes all your product images, promotional graphics, and any other visual media you might have stored in your Shopify account. Now, let's get down to editing. Choose an image you want to work with by clicking on it. Doing so will transport you to Shopify's image viewer. It's a handy tool that allows you to take a closer look at your image and pinpoint exactly what edits you wish to make. This stage ensures you're selecting the right image, as it pops up clearly on your screen. Once you're in the image viewer, shift your focus to the right panel. Here, you'll discover an array of editing options designed to enhance your images. Whether you need to crop out unnecessary parts of the photo, transform it to a new orientation, or perhaps doodle or highlight features using the drawing tool, this panel is equipped to meet those needs. It's all about making your images tailor-fit to showcase your products or brand effectively. To edit your image, simply click on the option that suits your requirements. Let's say you want to crop the image. Click on the crop icon, and you'll see handles around the edges of your image. Drag these to select the exact area you want to keep. Then, apply the crop to focus exactly on what's important. If you want to rotate or flip the image, just select the transform option, and you can make your image stand just the way you need it to. These tools are intuitive and easy to use, ensuring that you can apply your desired edits without fuss. Shopify's editing tools are perfect for those quick fixes, but it's also important to consider how the image will appear on your store's website, especially on mobile devices. Always keep in mind the aspect ratio of your images to ensure they look great on all screen sizes. Another key consideration is image resolution. High quality, crisp images can make a huge difference in the way your products are perceived. Shopify recommends that product images be at least 2,458 by 2,458 pixels for optimal display. If your image is too small, it may appear blurry or pixelated, while overly large images can slow down the load time of your store. Be sure to optimize the resolution to strike a balance between quality and performance. Additionally, you can use Shopify's Image Alt Text feature to help boost SEO. Alt text is a short description of an image that helps search engines understand the content of the image. This can improve your product visibility in search results and make your store more accessible to people with visual impairments. When you're editing your image, don't forget to add a meaningful description to help your customers find your products more easily. Once you've gone through and adjusted your image to your satisfaction, you're all set, and that's all it takes. Editing images in Shopify is really that simple. Remember, the key to captivating product images is finding that perfect balance between detail and presentation. Make sure your product images reflect your brand style and give customers a clear, attractive view of what they're buying. So, there you have it. With these tools at your fingertips, you're ready to make your Shopify store visually appealing by simply adjusting your images to best showcase your products. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on how to optimize your Shopify store and grow your business. Happy editing, and I'll see you in the next video.